So ito, iba naman to. Hindi naman to hidden faults. Willful. Sinasadya mo talaga. Usually, you hear a person say something like that. Parang, ganyan ako talaga eh. Ganyan ako eh. Hindi, medyo nakakasakit yung salita mo. Pasensya ka. Ano? Ganito ako eh. So, you justify yung wrong way mo of relating with people. It's a willful sin. You are hurting people intentionally. Ay, pag ako nagkakasala, ko sinasabi yan, di ba? Na, pag, don't intentionally hurt your spouse. Pwedeng unintentional. Pero pag intentional na, yung tipong, di ba? Ibigyan mo ng pagkain, tapos kukunin mo gano'n. Intentional na yun eh. Nangaano ka na eh. Di ba yung uupo siya, upo ka, tapos nagli mo upuan na gano'n. Yeah, intentional na yan. Hindi na yan biro. Okay? So sometimes when a husband and a wife are intentionally hurting each other, hindi yung unintentional, minsan nagkakamali ka, which is normal yun, di ba? Intentional na, then there's a problem with your souls. Maganda yung sinabi ni PG one time, yung mga problema sa marriage are soul issues. Hindi talaga parang issue lang ng marriage. Amen?